This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's my pleasure to be here helping you find the guitar. In this video, we're going to work on playing two fun melodies together that are written in tablature notation, as reading melodies in tablature notation is the focus of this lesson series. Of course, as we're playing those melodies, we're going to be jamming right along with the band track that I have created for this video. So we'll have bass, drums, and guitar accompaniment. It's going to be super fun. This video accompanies the Tablature Book from my Method Book series. In the book, we're going to be on pages 102 and 103, playing songs 140 and 141. So it's going to be great. Now, we've got a new thing happening with these melodies. So all the other melodies that we've played thus far, we have done in open position or first position, meaning we've used the open strings, and then we've assigned our first finger, our index finger, to that first fret, our second finger or middle finger to the second fret, our third finger or ring finger to the third fret, and our fourth finger or pinky to the fourth fret. Now we get to start playing in other positions, and all of that work of keeping those fingers playing in the frets they're assigned is going to pay off. So positions on the guitar work as follows. Wherever we stick our index finger, that's the position we're in. So if I stick it at the 5th fret, I'm in 5th position. Middle finger would play the 6th fret, ring finger would play the 7th, and pinky would play the 8th. If I stick my index finger at the 3rd fret, I'm in 3rd position. Index playing that 3rd fret, middle 4th, ring 5th, and pinky 6th. That's how it works, and then sometimes we have to shift to different positions to accommodate the different notes that we're playing. So we're going to start off here with our adventure of starting to move up the neck in 2nd position. With Arkansas Traveler, you can actually play the first half in first position if you want to, but we never use the 1st fret, but we are going to use some open strings. It might be fun for you, this is how I'm going to play it, to just do it in 2nd position. So I'll just use my index finger in that 2nd fret, middle in the 3rd, ring in the 4th, and pinky in the 5th. And then when I use open strings, I'll just play the open string. That's how I'm going to do it. You can, if you'd like to, with that first half, still play it in first position, using index in the 1st fret, middle in the 2nd, ring in the 3rd, and pinky in the 4th. And then for the second half, shift up. In the second half, we do have to play in 2nd position because we have fret 5 that's used quite regularly. But if you're already playing there, then you can just stay there. So when we're playing in that 2nd position, we're just going to keep our hands assigned and continue to play as our fingers are assigned. So anytime that 2nd fret comes along, index, anytime that 3rd, middle, anytime the 4th, ring, and anytime the 5th, pinky. And we'll just use those fingers like so. With Arkansas Travel, you'll note there's 2 repeats, so you don't want to miss those. We'll play each half twice, and then we'll just play the open strings as is. So that one's going to work like that. With Erie Canal, there is a couple occasions where we grab the open string, but otherwise we stay entirely in 2nd position for that one. Now, with Arkansas Traveler, we're going to play it 3 times. It's got lots of 16th notes. It goes pretty fast. So we'll play it 3 times at 3 different tempos, so you can get it up to a challenge tempo if you want to. So try it at that first tempo. Once you get it down there, then you can go up to that next and then the next. With the Erie Canal, we'll just play that one twice as normal. So we'll go just like that. It's going to be fun. Let's go ahead and play these songs together in 2nd position. All right, fantastic. Isn't it so fun playing this music together? As we continue through the lesson series, we're going to move into third position with the next video. So we're going to do some melodies in third position. It's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.